What would be my choice when I turn 50? Honestly speaking, I find myself very lucky in this context, having or buying toys for myself to enjoy in my life. Many of you know that when I was growing up, when I was in my teen, when I was my under 30s, I was struggling in my life very badly. It was not as bad as I'm saying it, but it was quite struggling. But with the passage of time, when I worked hard, not as good as you all have done, but I was lucky enough. I was blessed with prayers from my parents, their support, right mentors, right people like you. And they motivated me, they encouraged me, and I was able to enjoy my life, lavish life rather, in very early of my 30s. It was a huge transition, by the way. Then I used to have good expensive cars. I still have traveled a lot, which is quite expensive. And these are my toys. And now I feel after seeing so much in my life, luckily in quite young age, these toys will continue to stay with me, such as traveling, one of the toys, having a reasonable good car, not very lavish or expensive or sporty car, but something good which can takes me to somewhere easily because I love to travel to the world by road. Hopefully, I would be able to get the permission in terms of passport or some visas where I can just go on arrival acceptance to different countries and travel the entire globe by road. So these are my choice, honestly speaking, and best time to spend with my family. Only once in my life so far I have traveled to Europe with my family. It was traveling to 12 countries and I thoroughly enjoyed, which I never felt in my life. I traveled all alone wherever I went, but once only I traveled with my family. We rented a car and we spent 12 days in car except 2 days. 2 days we stayed in hotel. We slept in car, we drove, we had coffees, dinners, lunches, wherever we felt without any plan. So these are my choices going to be spending time with my family, traveling around the world with one reasonable car, and living like I'm a tourist on this planet. Thank you so much, sir. Back to you.